thanks for joining me in math today. So before we get started, I need you to get your math book, a pencil, and your counters. So that was the red and yellow circles that I gave you. Once you have your math book, I need you to please turn to page 11. That is 1-1, page 11. It should look similar to mine. If you need to pause so that you can get there, please pause the video. Okay, if you are playing me, that means that you are ready with your math book out and all those materials. So we're going to do an addition story problem, and I'm going to use my counters, and you should too. So follow along. There are 3 children swinging. So there's 1, 2, 3. There are 3 children swinging at the park. One child is on the slide. So there's my yellow counter for the slide. How many total children are at the park? So we're going to count all of our counters. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there were 4 children at the park in all. So I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to write the number 4 in this answer box at the bottom. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Let's double check. Oh, yep, our answer is 4. All right, so now I want you to turn the page so that you can see these ducks. We'll do this one together too. There are 4 ducks in the pond. 4 more ducks walk to the pond. How many ducks are there in all? Okay, so we're going to get our counters out, and we're going to go to the beginning. There are 4 ducks in the pond. So I'm going to take 4 red counters. Ooh, we could put it on top of the ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there are 4 more ducks. So we're going to do another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ducks are there in all? So we're going to count all of our counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to take our pencil and we're going to write the number 8. Okay. My numbers always turn out a little funky when I'm on the computer. Okay, so now we can go to the next problem. Okay, so for this next one it says, tell a number story. Use counters. Write how many in all. Okay, so we're going to get our counters out, and there are 4 turtles sitting on the beach. Oh no, there's more than 4. There are 5 turtles sitting on the beach. 1 more turtle wants to join them. How many total turtles are on the beach or in the water? Okay, so we're going to count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll take our pencil and we're going to write 6 turtles. Awesome. Okay, let's check our answer. Awesome, we got it. 6 turtles. Okay, tell a number story. Use counters. Write how many in all. So this time I want you to come up with a number story with these birds. So there are 3 birds in the grass, and 2 birds joined them. How many birds in all? Count all of your counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 birds. All right. Oop. 5. All right. Let's check our answer. We got it. Nice work. Okay, now you're going to turn the page, so you're going to work on page 13. This first problem should look just like mine. At the top of this page, it says, on my own. So now it's time for you to practice what we were just learning. So you're going to tell a number story, use counters, and write how many in all. So I was doing it with you, but now it's your turn to do it all by yourself. Okay, so you're going to do problems 3, 4, and 5 all on your own. When you are all done, come back to the video and I can help you read problems 6 and 7, or you can ask your teacher for help. Okay, so this means that you have already finished all the problems on page 13 and you're on to the word problems. This says, draw a picture to solve. Okay, there are 6 gray cats. There are 3 black cats. How many cats are there in all? So you're going to draw some pictures of 6 gray cats and 3 black cats, and then count all of them and write your answer right here. You can also use your counters to help you count. Okay, when you are all done with that, come back to the video. All right, problem number 7 says, Ryan has 3 flashlights. He found 2 more. How many flashlights does he have in all? So draw a picture to solve that one. Come back when you're done. Okay, the last one on page 14, I'm going to give you choices. You can decide if you would like to write your answer or if you would just like to talk about it to your teacher at home. So the question is, how do you find how many objects there are in all? And it says to explain yourself. So how are you finding the answers to those problems that we were just doing? Can you explain that? All right, now it's really time to show me what you know. So it's the homework page, which is page 15 and page 16. So you guys are going to work on what we were just doing. You're going to tell a number story and write how many there are in all. Okay, and you're going to do that for all of the pages. Make sure you're reading the directions, and if you need some help, ask your teacher who's at home. Thanks, guys.